In this video, we will walk you through the 3 easy steps to install the RHINO Insulated Header System in under 30 seconds. A couple things to know as we get started. First, RHINO headers are pre-insulated and require no cutting, modification, or assembly on the job site. You just choose the length needed for the opening from the 6 different sizes. And you'll need to remove one of the insulation panels, doesn't matter which one, using a framer square. You can see that in the image. Step 1. Drop the header into the wall section with the insulated side down. Step 2. Add the bottom furring cord, making sure to center the header. Add any cripple, trim, or jack studs to frame out your opening and nail off. Step 3. Secure the header with 10D by 1.5 inch Tico or common joist hanger nails or better, using a single nail every 6 inches on center on the bottom furring cord and every 12 inches on center on the top plate. If your application requires the installation of the lateral upload clips, simply screw a single clip to each end of the header using the self-tapping screws provided and nail the clip into the king stud with Tico or joist hanger nails. Then just pop on the insulation panel you removed in the beginning. And you're done. Now you can see why we say it's as simple as drop, pop, and done. All you have to do is drop it into position, pop in the Tico nails, and you are done. Your framers will appreciate a header system that installs in 30 seconds, fully insulated, and weighs 40 to 50% less than wood headers. This is the RHINO Insulated Header System. Faster, cheaper, and greener. Our system is the most advanced header solution available today. It installs faster than wood headers, costs less, and generates real energy savings for the life of the home. And that's just the beginning.